my name is Soma, princess from Kurdistan on Instagram, and I'm Kurdish and I'm wearing the traditional Kurdish clothes.
Ooh, can we see the back? I'm Moira from Sierra Leone. This is a traditional outfit, and this are straws. It's normally called a hair.
I am wearing Pakistani cultural dress with the garara on it, and yeah, this is me.
Guys, I'm Johan and I'm wearing a Nyonya Kabaya from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
I'm wearing Nigerian Hausa native dress called Babariga. This is a kind of dress that we used to wear when we have some kind of occasion to showcase our culture.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Whitney Milena and I'm from Dominica.
Hi, my name is Christiana Paul and I'm also from Dominica.
It's the hairpiece. Yes, get into it.
Hi, I'm Khaldoon Abdullah. I'm from Yemen.
And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing the Southern Yemeni traditional dress. This is basically called the Ma'waz in the local language, known in formal Arabic as the Izar. And this is the Hibya. It's used basically, you tie it around you when you need to sit down on the ground.
Oh, can you give me a 360?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Joanna Koloman. I'm from Nigeria. I'm putting on the lace fabric. This fabric is worn by people from the southwestern part of Nigeria. It's lace, and then this is ashoke, tied by me. I'm made from Nigeria.
Hi, I'm Olivia. I'm from Samoa and I'm wearing Pacific Island art.
And what about the fan?
This fan is from PNG.
Malo Lele, I'm Angelina Mahe from Tonga. What I'm wearing, this is our what we call kekia, and it represents respect. It's made of coconut husk. Yeah, and then this is just twine interwoven together, and a flower to represent the islandness in me. Thank you.
Thank you.
So hi, Talofa. My name is Pulimai. I'm from Tuvalu in the Pacific, and one of those countries that are about to sink, they say, because of climate change. And what I'm wearing, this is from Hawaii, and the earrings were handmade by the women, and they are sold at the airport. So before you leave, just grab one.
Thank you so much. You look lovely.
Hi, I'm Emin, and I'm wearing a South Asian attire. This is called sari. It's like
Lovely.
Hi, my name is Gulnaz. I'm Karakalpak, and I'm from Uzbekistan. Karakalpak traditional costume. Yeah, it's all red. Yeah, red is a symbol of power, and red is symbol of fire. So women wear red, like symbolizing the power.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there am I in a handmade traditional outfit from Ghana.